Literally.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near County until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near New Market to 10 miles northeast of Rockford to impacted include Millville, Sevierville, Alcoa, Jefferson City, Newport, Gatlinburg, Dandridge, Pigeon Forge, White Pine, and New Market. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 399 and 434. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and 99 and 434. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 5. For your protection, remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Alright, we need to take a look at this, because these storms are headed right for me. Oh boy. Okay. This stupid door is cursed. Piece of crap. Alright, let's take a look at this. These storms are moving. Moving? Wow. Apparently, yeah, I can speak great grammar, yeah. Grammar 100 up in this bitch. They're moving fast. Okay, let's see here. Yeah. They're headed right for me.
Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Knox County, northeastern Blount County, Jefferson County, northwestern Cobb County, Sevier County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Market to 10 miles northeast of Rockford to Merrillville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Merrillville, Sevierville, Alcoa, Jefferson City, Newport, Gatlinburg, Dandridge, Pigeon Forge, White Pine, and New Market. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 399 and 434. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. There were no days with precipitation greater than or equal to 1.00 inches. The maximum 24-hour precipitation was 0.7 frequency between and 29.
Right, yeah, funny thing is, as soon as I stopped recording, that they relayed. So yeah, WIVK, for those in the Knoxville area who are watching this right now, yes, they do relay SVRs, FFWs, and TORs, but FFWs and TORs relay faster.